Man, they smell awesomeness. But after these are done, come check this out. I have made an awesome, Karen says that she gets her approval. If you love dill pickles, this is a dill pickle awesomeness is going on our turkey burgers. Ooh. Sincerely, hope everyone is safe and enjoying their Wednesday evening. As always, thinking of you. Hey, a very happy Thursday to everyone. I've got to do this quickly because Karen is on her way home and the dogs will bust loose as soon as they see her in the driveway. But also, Karen has worked very hard. I know this still looks a little unfinished, but she's worked very hard over the weekend. The ceiling is totally white. It's done, and she's working on everything else to get it looking right. So when she sees this video, she's going to be embarrassed, but such is life. Love, I love you. Do not worry. That said, my Crown Black salute. That's tasting good tonight. It really is tasting good. Salute. All right, so after our quick little Instagram post last night on the turkey burgers that we did in the blackened skillet outside on the Camp Chef Sidekick, actually the pickle sauce that I made, which is simple and easy and simple, it got more interest than the turkey burgers did. So, something easy and fast right here now. Let me show you how I made an awesome pickle sauce. And I gotta tell you, I'm not the biggest dill pickle guy in the world. I eat pickles, but I wouldn't go out of my way to eat them. But they are awesomeness in this pickle sauce. Come on, let's check it out. Again, let me stress, like I said, simple and easy and simple. It does not matter what brands. Mayo, number one. I'm gonna go with 3 parts of mayo. Ketchup, does not matter what ketchup you use, 1 part of ketchup. Now this is something I found that I actually like. It's mustard, but it's hot, but it's also sweet. It's got a little bit of honey in it. I'm gonna go with about 1 part of this also. Maybe I'd go a little bit heavier than the ketchup, but about 1/3 of this. Gonna use, again, the Sharpie has worn off. Well, that's better on that side. We're gonna put the AP no heat seasoning, and for the amount that I'm gonna make, try to find 2 bigger ones in there, and I'm gonna go with finely chopped dill pickles. Let's go. 3 parts mayo. This one's almost dead. I'll be right back. No more squeezable, so we have to go with a jar. All right, so that's about 3 parts. 3 parts mayo, 1 part ketchup. And again, this, if you could find this, I get this in our local food line, but it is awesome mustard. I strongly suggest you try it. If you are I'm not a mustard guy, but I love this mustard. And it doesn't come out in squirts, it kind of comes out in a ribbon. Well, check this out. Really wide band. Okay. Again, about 1/3. If I was going to go heavier on something, I would go on heavier on the mustard versus the ketchup. Oh my goodness, it sounds like maybe Karen may be in the driveway. We're going to just get this all mixed up. Hello, love. How are you? I warned everybody that you would be coming in, but actually the dogs were not as crazy as what I suspected. Well, thank you. I appreciate that. Were the mallards still out front? Man, they were right against the garage door, and I could almost pick the Drake up. 3 1-in-1. It's got a pretty good taste. The AP no heat. Put some AP no heat in her. Get it juiced up in that sense. How was your day, love? Was it? That's busy is better than not, right? I have to get my little spatula stirrer out. That's about as much in there. About the same I did last night, where you could just kind of consistently see it in throughout. You know what? Just a little bit more. Just a skosh. That's a skosh. All right. All right, now on to the pickles. All right, Karen's choosing just to go with a straight up pickle. She'd dig in there, love and do it. While you do a pickle, I'll do a little bit more Crown. If there's a key here, I think the key is getting them tiny. So I'm gonna try to do these safely. Just make nice little pieces. All right, Karen won't let me buy. She won't let me buy another knife. I really do love this knife though, but it's not the best for doing this. But right, love.
We should use a chopping knife.
Well, I don't have a nice chopping knife, do I? We do. And maybe she's going to teach me something. All right, I'm going to try the chopping knife. Let's see. I think my problem is our chopping knife just isn't sharp. The scenario, we want this to be small. All right, so not my best culinary skills of chopping up small pickle pieces, but I think you get the idea, hopefully, right? See if I can do it neatly. Done. I don't know what this little guy's called, but I like it for this kind of thing. We're done with the fork. More than halfway good. But check this out. Yes, yes, and yes. Simple and easy and simple pickle sauce. I suggest you try this. Even if you're not a pickle fan, Jeff Wood up at PEI. I know you don't like pickles, but man, you got to try this. It is awesomeness. Yes. That tastes good. You didn't see me lick that side, but it tastes good. Karen Love, thank you very much for running the camera. She's home now. It makes it just a little bit easier. I can kind of do it with tripod and suction cups and all that kind of stuff, but it just makes it much easier. Love, I appreciate your help. Thank you. Thank you very much. What are you going to have done?
I finished off the buffalo trace.
So what are you going to have?
Don't know.
The selections are almost endless. I'm doing the Crown Black, which I guess I need a little bit more, huh?
Probably.
Oh, I said, hey, check this out, Brian Wetcher. Wetchco Signs, Brian, an awesome job. Thank you very much for the Pitboss XX. Enough of all that. This is the results and the results. Love, well, you did like it last night, didn't you?
Yes, very much.
What would you like to say about it?
It was just delicious.
Yeah. I'm not a pickle guy, and I even told Jeff Wood, PEI Jeff Wood, he says he doesn't like pickles, but man, it's really good.
It's just like creamy, has a little bite to it, some heat. Not even really heat, I wouldn't call it.
No, you say that now. Heat, you know what I thought about adding?
What?
You know what I thought about adding?
Some heat.
It's a little bit of jalapenos in it.
Yeah, oh.
Should I do that?
Maybe you could halve it and do some with, some without.
All right, so recap. So to recap on this, doesn't matter what brand. I had to bust out the jar. But 3 parts, 1 part, that's a good mustard.
It is.
It really is. In 1 part, but if I do anything heavier, I would do more of this than the ketchup. We did the AP, no heat. JC, Captain Jeff's, Pitboss, and Waterfowls. We're not sure what this is called yet, but the AP no heat went in there, and then two nice little dill pickles. But I think I'm going to add a little bit of jalapeno. All right.
Yeah, that would make it.
We appreciate you following along. Thank you very much. If you could, thumbs up, subscribe, please, comment, share. All my duck hunting friends, I guess, aren't into cooking because I posted up a cooking video this morning, a decoy video this afternoon, love, and the decoy video blew the views away like craziness. So, but anyway.
We still got to eat, and then we will still cook, so.
Yeah, we do need to eat. We will still cook. I appreciate you following along. Thank you very much. On Instagram, just like last night, how kind of all this got started, at Pitboss Waterfowl. Please follow along with us. And yeah, I'll give you my week Crown Black salute. Very happy Thursday to everyone. Thinking of you, we are.